This is a long and complicated story that spans more than a decade.
A fight for justice. Two women killed more than a decade apart. Now one man stands trial for both murders. We take you inside today's opening statements in the case against Kylr Yust. Good evening, I'm Kevin Holmes. Thanks for watching 41 Action News on air and your favorite streaming platform. Kylr Yust charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in the deaths of Kara Kopetsky and Jessica Runyons. The 2 women went missing nearly 10 years apart, but their remains were discovered near each other in the woods near Belton in 2017. The I-Team's Andy Alcock was in court today. He breaks down today's opening statements as prosecutors and Yust's attorneys painted 2 very different versions of the 2 young women's deaths.
4 years ago, a mushroom hunter discovered the remains of Kara Kopetsky and Jessica Runyons. Kara Kopetsky went missing in 2007, Jessica Runyons in 2016. According to prosecutor Ben Butler, the young women who never knew each other have one common link: Kylr Yust.
When Kara tried to end her relationship with Yust due to his abuse, Yust said, "If I can't have her, no one can."
Butler told the jury the evidence will show Yust strangled both Kara Kopetsky and Jessica Runyons.
Yust also said that his neck tattoo symbolizes his hands around Kara's throat.
However, Yust's attorney Sharon Turlington said he's innocent in what she called a very complicated case. What she said is not complicated is the lack of physical evidence against Yust.
There's not one hair, one drop of blood, or one fingerprint in this case connecting Kylr to either of these homicides.
Additionally, Turlington told the jury there is evidence Yust has alibis for his whereabouts the days prosecutors claim he murdered the young women. Turlington also said phone records could prove Yust was in Kansas City visiting his great-aunt with his grandfather the day Kara Kopetsky was killed. But that day is the only one with Yust's phone records missing. She also claimed Yust was in Kingsville, Missouri when Jessica Runyons' vehicle was torched.
When you've heard all of the evidence in this case from both sides, I'm going to ask you to answer for me and find Kylr Yust not guilty.
With the jury arriving Monday afternoon after traveling from the St. Louis area, Judge Collins adjourned court after the opening statements. The trial resumes Tuesday morning when the prosecution calls its first witness. I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.
Our team will stay on top of this trial. We'll be there tomorrow for the first witness. And you can also stay up to date, plus see a timeline of this case all on our website, kshb.com/Kylr Yust.